This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
This cold and grim city lost its colors long ago. Gray streets, gray faces. Even I became gray, even though I fighted till the last drop of my color. My investigation about the criminal who stole all the colors is in a deadlock. I studied these clues like thousands of times, but still couldn't find the trace of this color thief. So many questions left without any answers. Where is he hiding? Who is he? Or she? There isn't even a tiny hint. Oh my feta, so many sleepless nights I had because of this investigation. What's that sound? I guess I'm just hearing things. I am defo missing something. I almost felt the smell of a gouache, but the color thief slipped away right in front of my nose. Dear Sue, I miss the warmth of your hands and your savvy so much. That sound again. It's like someone dropped the brushes. Indeed, the color thief left new clues. I guess the lady luck came back to me. More clues. Seems like they were left on purpose. What a sly game. These handprints. I can't believe my eyes. This is...
Sammy, have you lost something, my dear? I've been thinking that your investigation reached, a deadlock. That's why I left the clues so you could find me for sure.
It was you all this time! I was chasing you! But you have to understand, Sue, that this city needs colors. I can't just let you go like this.
So, Detective Sam, what if I offer you a deal?
Our friendship and the destiny of this city are at stake. I'm ready to hear your offer.
I will return the colors to this city, but you will help me paint a masterpiece using just fingers.
A painting made only with fingers? Oh, what are you trying to drag me into? But I have no other choice but to agree.
I know I can trust you, Mr. Sam.
Oh.
Sammy! Sam, it's time to start painting!
Sue, are you sure that we need such a big canvas?
Yes, exactly this size. I'll show you how to draw a picture with your fingers, which you can hang on the wall afterwards. Hi guys! Today we're doing a bright artistic investigation experiment.
Right, and we need acrylic paint and lots of colors to fill the whole canvas. Anna, what are you gonna draw?
I'm thinking of painting a bird.
Which one? Let's do something unusual.
A peacock? Unusual enough?
Whoa! This is an awesome bird with a huge, bright and fluffy tail.
The tail is very important. Actually, we'll begin painting with that part.
Sue, you're very smart. Tell me something about the peacocks.
Well, since you've started this conversation about tails, I'll tell you that peacocks use their feathers to attract female birds and scare off natural enemies.
Sue, how can such a beautiful fluffy tail scare someone off?
Have you ever seen a peacock's tail, Sammy?
1 second, I need to refresh my memory.
We take blue as the basic color. Guys, while Sam can't see, hit the thumbs up button. When he's back, he'll be very happy.
Yes, you're right, Susie. You know what you're talking about. Peacocks are blue. What did you say about the enemies?
Look, this bird has lots of eyes.
2, like every animal.
And if you look closer...
Holy cannoli, I get it. The eyes are on the tail.
Yes, if the peacock is in danger, he puffs up his tail. The predator sees many eyes and gets scared.
Brilliant! Guys, what else do you know about these awesome birds? Comment below.
And we'll keep painting. It's very easy to do the relief with the fingers. Look. We take 3 colors at once. Green, blue, and white. Look how beautifully the colors are mixing together. Plus, acrylic paint sets in the shape you left it in. If your paint is too thick, you can dilute it with water. And if it's too runny, you can mix it with talcum. Life hack!
You leave the fingerprints very professionally, Sue. They can lead any investigation to a deadlock.
Sam, I'm not a criminal. I'm an artist. And artists sometimes are a little careless. For example, when they're thinking about a new painting.
Well, we'll see about that. No clue will escape my attention.
So guys, the peacock's tail is ready. We'll move on to the best part.
Candy donuts!
No, Sammy! We start painting the body and head of our peacock. Donuts have nothing to do with that.
I'm a detective. Donuts make my brain work better.
And how is your investigation going?
I'm collecting different facts and studying the clues. I'll go interrogate the witnesses.
And where will this investigation lead him to, I wonder? Wait, what witnesses? He ran away. Oh well, let's finish with the bottom of the tail. Look closely. We mix dark and light colors, but not completely. We need to make sure that light and shadow are seen clearly. They'll add volume and brightness. Let's add some shades of purple. And applying the paint to the canvas, just like a cat leaves its paw prints. Guys, have you ever painted with your fingers? How do you like doing that? Comment below. The most important thing, don't spare the paint. When the painting sets, it will look voluminous and will shine in the light.
Strange thing, Sue, the witnesses didn't say a word.
And who did you ask if it's not an investigation secret?
Gary the snail just moved his eyes. Ginger kept running silently in his wheel and Fluffy was threatening me with his tail.
It's just that all of them are my sidekicks, especially Fluffy. He likes turning over things and leaving his paw prints.
Sue, I didn't know you were so sly. You painted so much already. By the mozzarella, this peacock will be an awesome addition to our interior.
What do you think? Where should we hang it?
I were feng shui. Where would I hang the peacock painting?
Sammy, feng shui is not a person. It's a Chinese doctrine. It's dedicated to the organization of your environment.
Oh, and I was thinking all this time who came up with such a weird name.
It could be translated from Chinese as wind and water, and it's a whole philosophy.
Yeah, no, the tail of our peacock looks like sea waves. And this is really water and wind. Who painted feng shui?
You always surprise me with your accurate conclusions. We only need to draw some details.
Will you draw his head?
We'll do it right now. Here we can make flatter strokes.
Look, Sue! I also learned a new way of painting. Slime painting.
Oh, and you did great! You've almost mastered painting.
Sue, the peacock is a royal bird. It's time to draw a crown for him.
Ooh, right you are. I'll do it with my fingertips so the crown looks thin. Guys, don't forget to hit the bell button with your fingertips so you can get notifications about our new videos.
Yes, yes! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Here! The painting is ready. We'll leave it to set. Acrylic paint will dry faster in a warm-aired room. Oh yes, Sammy, you chose a great spot. By the way, how's your investigation going?
The case is closed. I found the evidence to prove you're innocent.
And where is it?
Here, hanging on the wall. You do this masterpiece with your fingers, and this justifies you completely. You agree, guys? Give a thumbs up for Sue and her artistic talent.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.
Who's crying?
It's the Countess. Nobody can cheer her up.
Oh, please don't pay any attention to me. Like I deserve any attention. Just pretend I'm not here.
Not even a cuddle can help her. Let's just say that she thinks everyone has forgotten her birthday.
It's her birthday?
So you did forget.
Nobody told us.
Oh no, this is awful.
Okay, we need to think of a great idea to make today the best birthday Elizabeth ever had.
Exactly. We'll throw her a big party.
Oh, I have big news, big news. Oh, I can't talk about it. Yes, I can.
Jaja, what is it?
I saw a troubadour's boat. A troubadour. Apparently, he's on his way to Magic-y. And I saw him with a guitar. Tonight, he's probably coming to give a special private concert for you. Oh, it's so exciting.
A concert tonight?
I have a great idea. Elizabeth! How would you like to have a concert to celebrate your birthday?
A concert for my for me?
Jaja, invite the whole kingdom to the concert in honor of Countess Elizabeth. Bye.
Sydney, be honest. Do you prefer this side or this side?
Ah, princesses, there you are. I have amazing, exceptional, fantastic.
Out with it already.
There, if you insist. Tonight, a concert will be held at Billy's Castle, featuring a troubadour. He's called Trumpet. With a name like that, he must be fun, right? See, you must come. I can't wait. I have to tell everyone else.
Hold on. In the meantime, we'll just make 1 or 2 little changes to the invitation. Okay, Jaja, you can go and invite everyone. But you know the concert is now at our castle, not Billy's.
Oh dear. I'll have to go back and tell everyone again. Bye.
Pandas! There is no way that a troubadour is going to sing for Elizabeth and the rest of the kingdom. He's going to sing for us and for us alone. Find us that troubadour!
Balloons? Oh, this can't be for my little old birthday. Oh, Sir Kitty Cat, you're such a kidder.
Yeah, I meant to do that.
Hello, everyone. Can I borrow some chairs? Jaja has invited so many people to the Twin Princesses concert that we've run out of seats.
Huh, the Twin Princesses concert? What are you talking about?
Aren't you getting mixed up with this concert?
I'm not mixed up. They're having a troubadour concert. The invitation is very clear. He's called Crumpet, I think. Or Trumpet. I can't remember.
Sounds like Jaja got things mixed up again.
Oh, Jaja! Jaja!
You do know she never comes when you really need her.
We have to find her before she invites everybody to the wrong concert.
And we'd better do it fast, or there won't be anyone here for Elizabeth's birthday.
Jaja! Yo! You called? Yes, we were getting worried. I think you've got a bit mixed up with the invitations. The concert is here, not at the Twin Princesses Castle. Really? But I just followed what it says on the poster.
Huh, it's another one of the twins' mean tricks.
But how are they going to organize a concert without Trumpet the Troubadour? He's coming to play a concert here, invited by our princess, right? Isn't he, Billy?
Huh? A trumpet concert without Trumpet? You're right. He doesn't make any sense.
Help!
What's going on?
That must be him. The sound's coming from the harbor. It's a concert for my birthday.
So, where is he then?
Trumpet the Troubadour was arrested for entering the twins' territory carrying a guitar, something which has been against the law since half an hour ago.
But I always play guitar. Please do something, Your Highness. I'm sorry, but I'm not. Stop!
Poor thing! He's being held prisoner!
Look! Concert confirmed tonight only. We have to rescue Trumpet the Troubadour!
And make sure that Countess Elizabeth gets her birthday party!
Yeah!
What?
Look, they're holding him prisoner over there. The problem is those fur balls guarding him.
The area is secure. Yes. Yes, we can start the concert soon.
That's odd. There's his guitar way over there.
So they're having a concert without a guitar?
How can he play the guitar if he's all tied up? Wait! I have an idea! Truman, you go on stage and play guitar. Come with me!
Sir, no one's allowed on stage.
Relax. I'm the guitar player. The concert is about to start, isn't it?
It's a concert. Someone's got to play the guitar. Guitar's allowed, let him in.
I'm here to set you free. I'm gonna play guitar. You're going to sing. Excuse me, but I'm just.
Right on time! Oh, I can't wait. Help! He said that he... What? I can't hear you!
I think you have the wrong person. I'm not a singer or a rock star. In fact, I'm a terrible singer.
What? What does that mean?
This? I'm an igloo salesman. I have no idea what made you think I'm a rock star.
What? You're not Trumpet the Troubadour?
I have a guitar because I use it in my job, selling igloos. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall.
You call this a concert?
Now what are we going to do for Elizabeth's birthday party?
Are you sure about this?
Yes, together for Elizabeth. Countess Elizabeth, I know you are expecting Trumpet the Troubadour, but plans sort of changed. This is our birthday gift for you. Girl, you'll always be a friend to me. Whenever we're together, you will see that when friends can laugh together through good or bad, whatever. Together, we're better than me. Together, we're better than me.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. That was very rude to take those tickets out of our hands.
Well, it's rude not to invite your sisters to see their favorite singer.
Actually, look in the envelope. There are 4 tickets. I was going to invite you guys too.
What?
But we need to go right now, or else we'll be late.
Really? Right now? We can't go to a Boober concert dressed like this.